AI Agent-Powered Digital Therapeutics, DTX, Evaluation Framework for Integrating DTX into Managed Care Formularies. The integration of DTX into managed care formularies represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of healthcare delivery. These evidence-based software solutions are designed to treat, manage, or prevent a range of medical conditions and hold tremendous potential for addressing gaps in care, expanding access, and enabling personalized treatment pathways. Yet, despite their promise, DTX products have encountered significant barriers to adoption, particularly within payer systems. To overcome these challenges, healthcare stakeholders must adopt a structured evaluation framework that reflects both the technological nuances of DTX and the practical requirements of healthcare delivery. To meet the complexity and dynamic nature of DTX products, next-generation AI agents can play a transformative role in streamlining the formulary evaluation process. Unlike traditional static tools or rule-based engines, AI agents are autonomous systems capable of search, analysis, reasoning, learning, and decision-making in real time. These agents can systematically evaluate DTX submissions, monitor updates, and synthesize evidence using both structured and unstructured data sources, reducing time to decision and minimizing human bias. An AI-powered framework begins with comprehensive product information. AI agents can autonomously search regulatory databases such as FDA listings to verify 510(k) clearances, de novo classifications, or pre-market approvals. Using natural language processing, NLP, they can extract key regulatory markers and unique device identifiers, UDIs, from manufacturer documents and public data repositories, ensuring that listings are accurate, complete, and standardized. Moreover, these agents can cross-reference manufacturer contact details and historical compliance records, enhancing due diligence. Beyond compliance verification, AI agents can autonomously gather and analyze clinical evidence from peer-reviewed journals, clinical trial registries, and real-world data repositories. Leveraging their deep learning capabilities, agents can evaluate the quality of evidence by assessing statistical rigor, study design, and patient relevance. These insights allow them to rank or score the strength of evidence supporting a DTX's safety, efficacy, and value proposition. AI agents can also continuously update their knowledge base as new studies emerge, ensuring real-time responsiveness to evolving evidence landscapes. Another critical function of AI agents is understanding product use in clinical context. These agents can analyze usage parameters, identify associated dosing protocols, even in unconventional formats, and monitor software versioning through digital trace logs and change logs. This enables agents to flag substantive updates and assess their clinical implications, vital for maintaining formulary compliance in a fast-moving digital health environment. When it comes to pricing and reimbursement, AI agents can analyze pricing structures submitted by manufacturers, benchmark them against market comparators, and simulate budget impacts under various coverage scenarios. Furthermore, agents can autonomously identify whether the DTX falls under pharmacy or medical benefit categories, map them to relevant billing codes, and detect any inconsistencies with existing formulary frameworks. AI agents can also address one of the biggest pain points in formulary integration, the fragmentation of drug compendia. By automating cross-compendia comparisons, these agents can identify disparities in product listings, nomenclature, and metadata. They can suggest data harmonization protocols and recommend updates to ensure consistency across platforms, such as First Databank, Medi-Span, Gold Standard, and Cerner Multim. These harmonization efforts are crucial for EHR integration, reimbursement processing, and clinical decision support alignment. Importantly, AI agents also serve as educational intermediaries. They can generate tailored training modules for healthcare professionals, including physicians, pharmacists, and formulary committee members. These modules can explain the clinical rationale for DTX adoption, showcase evidence hierarchies, and provide case-based simulations to aid in decision-making. By translating complex technical details into accessible formats, AI agents support informed, confident decision-making. The AI agent-powered framework aligns closely with the evaluation principles proposed by the Digital Therapeutics Alliance, DTA, which emphasizes regulatory rigor, evidence quality, patient-centered design, data privacy, system interoperability, and economic value. AI agents operationalize these principles through continuous, autonomous action. They do not merely assess a DTX once for entry, they engage in longitudinal monitoring to ensure that formulary entries remain up to date with the latest scientific, technical, and regulatory changes. Furthermore, AI agents can simulate physician workflows and identify integration friction points. For example, they can test how DTX prescribing fits into EHR modules, evaluate the impact on documentation time, and suggest workflow optimizations. They can also monitor physician uptake patterns and identify educational gaps or systemic barriers, which can then be addressed through adaptive learning campaigns. The future of DTX integration into managed care formulary systems will be shaped by the adoption of intelligent, autonomous systems that augment human decision-making. AI agents provide the cognitive infrastructure needed to navigate the complexity, velocity, and variability of the digital therapeutics landscape. By enabling end-to-end automation of search, reasoning, analysis, and decision-making, these agents support more efficient, transparent, and evidence-driven formulary processes. The result is not only faster adoption of safe and effective DTX products but also a more agile and intelligent healthcare system ready for the demands of personalized, digital-first care.